Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Terraform Labs takes a dig at the SEC in motion to dismiss U.S. class action. Terraform Labs, the company behind the Terra-Luna stablecoin pair whose collapse led to a series of cascading bankruptcies and the onset of the crypto winter, is petitioning to have a U.S. class action lawsuit dismissed. The class action was filed by investor Nick Patterson in June 2022, claiming that Terraform Labs' algorithmic stablecoin tokens UST and Luna were actually securities, and that the company committed racketeering, mail and wire fraud. On May 2, the firm's attorneys filed a motion to dismiss the suit in a California federal court, challenging the jurisdictional and legal applicability of each of Patterson's allegations in turn. Federal securities law, the mail and wire fraud statutes, and RICO, the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, apply domestically, not extraterritorially, they wrote. Lead plaintiff's securities claims based on his acquisition of UST challenge conduct that is not domestic. The federal securities laws do not apply because the SEC does not allege that any of the protocols at issue were developed domestically, that any challenged statements by defendants were made in the U.S., or even that lead plaintiff's UST purchase was made in the U.S. The lawyers also argued that the plaintiff's mail and wire fraud allegations are not sufficiently domestic to support a RICO claim, saying that claiming Terraform used U.S. wires to communicate or send and receive money are not enough. Allegations that racketeering conduct was directed from or to the United States are necessary, they wrote. The lawyers' challenge of Patterson's allegation that the Luna and Terra tokens are securities relies on the now familiar criticisms that crypto firms have been leveling at the SEC for years. Lead plaintiffs' attempt to rely on the SEC's allegations regarding the Terra tokens being securities is fatal, they wrote. First off, they say Patterson cannot simply base his claim on the SEC's allegations. Secondly, the SEC is wrong and the Howey test does not apply to digital assets. And finally, Patterson does not adequately plead that any specific Terra token satisfies the Howey test. Do Kwon, the founder and CEO of Terraform Labs, and the company's chief financial officer Han-Chang Jun Kwon, were arrested at the airport in Montenegro's capital city of Podgorica on March 23 after being caught attempting to travel to Dubai under fake Costa Rican traveling documents. Kwon fled his native South Korea following the collapse of the Terra ecosystem in May 2022, with a South Korean court issuing an arrest warrant on September 17 and Interpol issuing a red notice 2 weeks later. On February 17, 2023, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, charged Do Kwon with securities fraud, writing that Kwon and Terraform orchestrated a multi-billion-dollar crypto asset securities fraud involving an algorithmic stablecoin and other crypto asset securities. If Terraform's motion to dismiss the class action suit fails, it will be heard by federal judge Trina L. Thompson on September 19, 2023, in San Francisco. Price prediction. Terra Classic price today is $0.00009517 with a 24-hour trading volume of $30.98 million, market cap of $560.92 million, and market dominance of 0.05%. The LUNC price decreased -1.89% in the last 24 hours. Terra Classic price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 7, 2023 at 22:59, the general Terra Classic price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 3 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 30 signaling bearish signals. LUNC price prediction was last updated on May 7, 2023 at 22:59. Terra Classic key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.00009811, Terra Classic has support levels of $0.00009275, $0.00008983, and the strongest at $0.00008447. Similarly, Terra Classic resistance levels are at $0.000101, $0.000106, and $0.000109. Terra Classic reached its highest price on April 5, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time high of $119.01, while Terra Classic's lowest price was recorded on May 13, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.00001651. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.00001651, cycle low. The highest LUNC price since the last cycle low was $0.000590, cycle high. The Terra Classic price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Terra Classic's current circulating supply is 5.89 T LUNC out of max supply of 6.88 T LUNC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1,721,900.5%, meaning 5.89 T LUNC were created in the last year. Terra Classic is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 92 days, since February 4, 2023. The price of Terra Classic is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 77 days, since February 19, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 138 days ago, on December 20, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on November 27, 2022, which was 161 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Terra Classic's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $0.000153 by June 6, 2023. Terra Classic's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.00009799 by June 6, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 24.71, which indicates that the LUNC market is in an oversold position. The RSI indicator suggests that the price of LUNC will decrease. According to our current Terra Classic price prediction, the value of Terra Classic is predicted to drop by -3.36% and reach $0.00009253 by May 12, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Terra Classic recorded 14/30ths, 47%, green days with 7.73% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Terra Classic forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Terra Classic. Comparing Terra Classic against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Terra Classic price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Terra Classic price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best-case scenario, LUNC price prediction for year 2026 is $0.002454 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Terra Classic would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.000282. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.